Srimati Menaka Gandhi, yesterday you came out strongly against that incident in Kerala. How are you following up this issue?
No, we are following it up by talking to the centre and the state. The point is that we can only talk if somebody is listening. It's not just me, the whole of India is talking. There must be at least 1 lakh letters and emails that have gone to your state.
വീട്ടിൽ പോസ്റ്റ്മാൻ ഇപ്പൊ കത്ത് കൊടുത്ത് പോയതേ ഉള്ളൂ. എന്ത് കത്ത്? തിരുവനന്തപുരത്തെ സെക്രട്ടറിയേറ്റ് ഭാര്യ രാധാമണിക്ക് ജോലി കിട്ടി.
You said almost 600 elephants died in Kerala yesterday. So from where do you get that?
These are your own figures. Your own figures say 600 elephants a year are killed in Kerala.
Also, you said that the incident happened in Malappuram, but actually it happened in Palakkad. There has been reaction also that it didn't happen in Malappuram.
It didn't happen in Malappuram. That is the communication that was given to us by the Forest Department. The FIR is also in M. Malappuram. So how can you say it happened in Palakkad?
യാതൊരാപത്തും വരില്ല. എന്റെ ചോര കൊടുത്തും ജീവൻ കൊടുത്തും ഞാൻ അവരെ രക്ഷിക്കും. ഇത് സത്യം സത്യം സത്യം. ഇറങ്ങി പൊളപ്പില്ല.
In the Mannarkad division in Kerala. Mannarkad division belongs to Palakkad, and the FIR is also registered there. I think the first report came from Malappuram, Dateline Malappuram.
No, and also the Forest Department, when we checked with them, they said it happened in Malappuram. But it is irrelevant where it happened. The point is that the whole of Kerala is now obsessed with the killing of elephants. And the government of Kerala takes absolutely no action. In no other state in India are they being killed the way they are being killed in Kerala. Now, one of the reasons for this bomb to be made, which means there's a bomb factory, right? Now, bomb factories are being run because this is a professional bomb. This is not patakas. This is a bomb in which pressure is, when it is applied on, it bursts. Okay, it's a pressure bomb. Now, why was a bomb being made to begin with? That means there's a factory somewhere making bombs.
ആദ്യം ആണി കടിച്ചെടുക്കണം. എന്നിട്ട് എണ്ണണം. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 എണ്ണുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ഇറങ്ങിയിരിക്കണം. ഓക്കേ ഓക്കേ.
Also, for the last 3 months, we have been speaking to the government of Kerala and telling them that you have declared a war on the wild boar. Now, wild boar is an extremely important animal for the forest. If you remove the wild boar, you will have no forest left, in Kerala especially. And you will have a lot of other problems. Now, if you encourage people to make bombs and throw them in the forests and throw them on the farmers' lands, then wild boar will never die. But a lot of other animals will die from a pressure bomb. Now, the person who has done this to this elephant is obviously one of those people who were involved in the bomb making.
അവർ ചില്ലറക്കാരല്ല. നമ്മുടെ നീക്കങ്ങൾ മുൻകൂട്ടി കണ്ട് കനത്ത സുരക്ഷാ ഏർപ്പാടുകൾ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അവനെ തട്ടാൻ മറ്റു മാർഗങ്ങൾ കണ്ടെത്തണം. ചലോ.
Did you speak to any Kerala official on this matter?
Yes, I've been speaking to your Forest Secretary, Asha Thomas. I spoke to Surendra. Nobody's interested.
My name is Ramji Rao. എന്താ? Ramji Rao speaking. Okay.
Today the minister, Mr. Javadekar, said that he will intervene in this issue.
What can he intervene? Okay? Why ruin it by being so vicious to animals? Now, these elephants are no longer even from Kerala. Most of these elephants have been are really important for the forest regeneration. So, firstly, I have requested the government again and again and again to stop private ownership and temple ownership of elephants, because that is killing them. One dies, they get another one. Another dies, and almost every second day one elephant is dying. It is not just this elephant. You know perfectly well that 3 days ago, 4 days ago, one more elephant died of a bomb in Kollam.
അച്ഛൻ എന്തെങ്കിലും കണ്ട് പേടിച്ചായിരുന്നോ?
കണ്ടിട്ടല്ല, കേട്ടിട്ടാ.
എന്ത് കേട്ടിട്ട്? എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു അച്ഛന് ശരിക്കും വട്ടാണെന്നാ.
മോളെ, ലോകത്തൊരാളും വട്ടനായി ജനിക്കുന്നില്ല. സാഹചര്യമാണ് അയാളെ വട്ടനാക്കുന്നത്.
ഇത് മുഴുവട്ട് തന്നെയാ.
എനിക്കിത് ആരോടെങ്കിലും പറഞ്ഞില്ലെങ്കിൽ ശരിക്കും വട്ടുപിടിക്കും.
എന്നാ എന്നോട് പറ.
ഞാൻ പറയും.
ആ പറയ്.
ഇല്ല, ഞാൻ പറയില്ല.
അയ്യോ അച്ഛ എന്നോട് പറയാൻ.
ഞാൻ പറയാൻ പോവാ.
Elephant died of a bomb in Kollam. Now there is one more elephant in Trichur, which is near death, in that mandir, which Asha Thomas knows about. I forget what was the name of it. Kovil Manikyam. Yeah, Kodal Manikyam. Then there are so many elephants like this that I can give you a list of in Kerala, all of which die, but the government doesn't do anything. So one is, they should stop this war that they have declared on wild boar. 2, they should be very strict on finding the bomb factories. 3, they should now stop private ownership of elephants. After all, you cannot own a tiger.
കേരളത്തിൽ ലഭിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഖ്യാതിയെ ഇല്ലാതാക്കി കളയാമെന്നും വിദ്വേഷം പരത്താമെന്നും ആരെങ്കിലും കരുതുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് വ്യാമോഹമാണ് എന്ന് മാത്രമാണ് സൂചിപ്പിക്കാനുള്ളത്.
ഞാൻ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ.